Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Expound It. Today, we are diving into the world of grammar to explore the types of nouns. Nouns are everywhere, and understanding their types will help us use them correctly. So, let's get started. Nouns are words that name people, places, things, or ideas. For example, in the sentence, "The dog is running," the word dog is a noun because it names an animal. But did you know there are many different types of nouns? Let's look at them one by one. First, we have common nouns and proper nouns. A common noun is a general name for a person, place, or thing. For example, city, teacher, or car. Let us see few examples. I live in a city. City is a common noun because it refers to a general place. The teacher is kind. Teacher is a common noun as it refers to a general profession. He bought a new car. Car is a common noun referring to a general vehicle. The dog is barking. Dog is a common noun that names a general animal. She works at a restaurant. Restaurant is a common noun that refers to a general place to eat. They visited the museum. Museum is a common noun referring to a general exhibition space. My phone is ringing. Phone is a common noun referring to a general communication device. We sat on a bench. Bench is a common noun that refers to a piece of furniture. The book was interesting. Book is a common noun referring to a general object for reading. The garden is beautiful. Garden is a common noun referring to an outdoor area. On the other hand, a proper noun names a specific person, place, or thing, and it always begins with a capital letter. Here are few examples. London is a large city. London is a proper noun because it names a specific city. Mrs. Smith is my teacher. Mrs. Smith is a proper noun because it refers to a specific person. He drives a Toyota. Toyota is a proper noun because it names a specific brand of car. Max is my dog's name. Max is a proper noun because it refers to a specific dog's name. She works at McDonald's. McDonald's is a proper noun because it names a specific restaurant. We visited the Louvre in Paris. Louvre is a proper noun because it refers to a specific museum. I love my iPhone. iPhone is a proper noun as it refers to a specific brand of phone. They walked in Central Park. Central Park is a proper noun that names a specific park. Harry Potter is a famous book. Harry Potter is a proper noun because it refers to a specific book series. Eden Garden is a lovely place. Eden Garden is a proper noun referring to a specific location. Next, let's talk about concrete nouns and abstract nouns. A concrete noun refers to things you can experience with your five senses. If you can see, touch, hear, taste, or smell it, it's a concrete noun. The apple is red. Apple is a concrete noun because you can see and touch it. I hear the music playing. Music is a concrete noun because you can hear it. She held the flower gently. Flower is a concrete noun because it can be touched and seen. The rain fell softly. Rain is a concrete noun because it can be seen, touched, and heard. I smelled the fresh bread. Bread is a concrete noun because it can be smelled and tasted. The cat is sleeping. Cat is a concrete noun because it refers to an animal you can see and touch. He touched the cold metal. Metal is a concrete noun because it is a tangible substance. The ice cream is melting. Ice cream is a concrete noun because it can be seen, tasted, and touched. I saw the mountain in the distance. Mountain is a concrete noun because it's a physical landform you can see. The ocean looks vast. Ocean is a concrete noun because you can see and hear it. An abstract noun, however, refers to ideas, qualities, or concepts. You cannot touch or see them physically, but they exist. Here are a few examples. Love is a beautiful feeling. Love is an abstract noun because it refers to an emotion you cannot touch. Happiness is contagious. Happiness is an abstract noun because it's a state of mind, not a physical thing. Her bravery saved the day. Bravery is an abstract noun because it refers to the quality of being courageous. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is an abstract noun because it's a principle or value. He has a great knowledge of history. Knowledge is an abstract noun that refers to learned information or skills. Freedom is important to all. Freedom is an abstract noun because it refers to the concept of being free. Her intelligence is admirable. Intelligence is an abstract noun because it refers to mental capacity. Friendship lasts forever. Friendship is an abstract noun because it refers to a relationship that cannot be seen or touched. The truth can be hard to hear. Truth is an abstract noun because it's a concept, not a physical thing. He is searching for peace. Peace is an abstract noun because it refers to a state of calmness or tranquility. Next up are countable nouns and uncountable nouns. A countable noun refers to things you can count, like apples or books. They can be singular or plural. Let's see few examples. I have 3 apples. Apples is a countable noun because they can be counted as individual pieces. She bought 2 books. Books is a countable noun because they can be counted as individual items. We saw 5 birds. Birds is a countable noun because they can be counted as individual animals. He owns 4 cows. Cows is a countable noun because they can be counted as individual vehicles. There are 7 students in the room. Students is a countable noun because they can be counted as individual people. She picked 6 flowers. Flowers is a countable noun because they can be counted as individual plants. I got 2 fish. Fish is a countable noun because they can be counted as individual creatures. He wrote 3 letters. Letters is a countable noun because they can be counted as individual pieces of written communication. They own 10 houses. Houses is a countable noun because they can be counted as individual buildings. I bought 4 pens. Pens is a countable noun because they can be counted as individual objects. An uncountable noun refers to things that cannot be counted, like water, air, or sugar. They are always in singular form. Examples are here. Water is essential for life. Water is an uncountable noun because it is a substance that cannot be counted. He drinks milk every day. Milk is an uncountable noun because it is a liquid that cannot be counted individually. There is too much sugar in this recipe. Sugar is an uncountable noun because it's a substance that can't be counted in discrete units. Air is all around us. Air is an uncountable noun because it's a gas that cannot be counted. I need more information. Information is an uncountable noun because it refers to data or facts that cannot be counted individually. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is an uncountable noun because it refers to learned information that cannot be counted. She gave me some advice. Advice is an uncountable noun because it refers to recommendations that cannot be counted. Music makes me happy. Music is an uncountable noun because it refers to sound that cannot be counted in distinct units. Love is in the air. Love is an uncountable noun because it refers to a feeling that cannot be counted. The room is full of furniture. Furniture is an uncountable noun because it refers to a collection of items that are not counted individually. Lastly, we have collective nouns. Collective nouns refer to a group of people, animals, or things. Let's know few examples. A team of players won the game. Team is a collective noun because it refers to a group of individuals acting as one unit. The class listened to the teacher. Class is a collective noun because it refers to a group of students. A flock of birds flew by. Flock is a collective noun because it refers to a group of birds. The family had dinner together. Family is a collective noun because it refers to a group of related individuals. The army marched through the streets. Army is a collective noun because it refers to a group of soldiers. A bunch of keys was on the table. Bunch is a collective noun because it refers to a group of keys. The ship's crew worked hard. Crew is a collective noun because it refers to a group of people working together on a ship. A herd of cows grazed in the field. Herd is a collective noun because it refers to a group of cows. The jury reached a verdict. Jury is a collective noun because it refers to a group of people who decide on a case. A pack of wolves howled at the moon. Pack is a collective noun because it refers to a group of wolves. So, there you have it. These are the main types of nouns: common, proper, concrete, abstract, countable, uncountable, and collective. Remember, understanding nouns will make your writing and speaking clearer and more effective. If you enjoyed learning about nouns, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more fun educational videos, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.